What's up everyone, my name is Rishab Gupta and this time I'll tell you how to perform one arm push-up. So let's begin. One arm push-up is the most popular type of push-up, not only because it is challenging but also because of so many benefits it has to offer. First benefit, it is a unilateral exercise, which means it engages half of your body. Besides working on your chest and your arms, it also engages your core. It really helps to build extreme strength that we are trying to build. To perform one arm push-up, we'll begin with the basic step, that is doing regular push-ups. If you want to do this type of push-up, you should be able to do at least 20 regular push-ups because that will help you to gain the strength in your arms, in your chest and in your body to perform one arm push-up. And then we will move on to the second step, that is understanding the form. Now you already know how to do a regular push-up, but there is a slight change when you perform one arm push-up. You get into the regular push-up position. Now instead of keeping your feet closer, you keep them wider apart than normal. That will help you to maintain balance. Now, there are two ways to place your free hand. Either you can place it on your back or you can place it on your thigh. Now bend your elbow, keep your body straight and try to go low as much as possible. And then push up hard until you reach the start position. Now many a times it happens that even after understanding the correct form of one arm push-ups, you are not capable of doing one arm push-up because you don't have that kind of strength. To tackle that situation, we'll follow step 3. To perform this step, you have to find an elevated surface and follow the same steps. Get into the regular push-up position, place your feet wider apart instead of keeping them close, and then place your hand on your back or your thigh. Then bend your elbow and go as low as much as possible, and then push up hard until you reach the start position. When you have practiced these push-ups on an elevated platform, try to find another platform which is lower to the last one and try to practice these push-ups. Then we will go to the last step, which is work on each arm. In the last step, we'll work on each arm. It has been highly observed that most of the people neglect working on both sides. For most of the people, it is easy to perform one arm push-up using right hand, and for most of the people, it is easy to perform using left hand. But we should focus on both sides. It doesn't matter how uncool it looks or how hard it is, but we should try to gain strength in our whole body. And that is all about one arm push-up. Guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and you can also check out tutorials on other type of push-ups like back left push-up or pseudo planche push-ups. And I'll see you in the next video.